Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you solve account warning problem. You can see I got a restriction from Facebook. Your account is warning. So if I click here, why see, so you can see here I did a bad comment on my friend's comment box. For this reason I get this kind of warning. So how I will solve you, I will show you through the video. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For solving your problem you have to go first your Facebook. You can see here I open my Facebook and you have to select which account you got restriction. So I got restriction in this account, so I am simply logging in this account. So after logging you have to click here three dot line. The three dot line you have to scroll down and you can see here option help and support. You have to click here help and support and you can see here help center. So you have to click simply on help center. So then you can see here account settings. You have to click here account settings. Then you have to scroll down and you can see was this helpful. You have to click here no, was this not helpful, and you have to click here this solution doesn't work. You have to click here and then you can see here got an option. So here you have to write what is your problem. So I will write it. Before writing I want to say you that's kind of warning you got because of you break community guideline of Facebook. And as like me, you can see I did a bad comment on my Facebook friend comment box. For this reason I got this kind of problem. So here you have to write your problem, why you got this kind of restriction. So I am simply write here hello Facebook team by mistake I did a bad COMM and comment on my phrase. You can see here I write hello Facebook team, by mistake I did a bad comment on my Facebook friend comment box. For this reason I got your account is warning. So please can you help me get rid of this problem? Thank you. So you can copy it from here or I will provide it. It's my description box. You can copy it from my description box. So then you have to submit it to Facebook. After submitting they will respond. They will get back to you within 3 or 4 days, and that's way you can solve the problem. Your account is warning. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.